Good day everyone. Before we tackle what is PWM, we must know what is Raspberry Pi. So what is Raspberry Pi? It is like a mini motherboard that allow us to use this what we want to. So what is PWM? PWM stands for Pulse Width Modulation, is a method used for getting variable voltage out on stand power supply. We will generate PWM signal from Raspberry Pi and demonstrate the PWM by varying brightness of a LED connected to Raspberry Pi. So here we have a figure. So here in the picture below, if the switch is closed continuously over a period of time, the LED will be on during this time. If the switch is closed for a half second, it will be open for the next half second. Then the LED will be on in the first half second. Now the proportion of LED is over total time is called duty cycle. The duty cycle are operation of machine or other device which operates intermittently rather than continuously. So the figure above show that the case 1 for 1 second, and we can see the LED being off for half second. The LED will be on for the other half second if the frequency of on and off times increase 1 per second to 50 per second. The human eye cannot capture this frequency. For a normal eye, the LED will be seen as glowing with half brightness. So with further reduction, on off and on appears much lighter. So it fast like a thunder to get current voltage and upload into breadboard. But don't worry, it maybe can hurt you, but it will be not harmful to your life. PWM is also known as a technique for controlling power. We use it here to control the amount of power going to the motor and hence how fast it spins. The diagram below shows the original from the PWM pin of the Raspberry Pi. Every 1/500 seconds, the PWM output will produce a pulse. The length of this pulse controls the amount of energy that the motor gets. No pulse at all and the motor will not turn to run. In order, we need to plug the mini USB cord to the Raspberry Pi and the current voltage for the RPI to breadboard to make our lead or something that we will do, it will works. So in here, I have prepared many samples for you to understand more the PWM. So the digital output is either on or off. It cannot be vary between and off as analog output. It can lead motor is connected to a normal digital output. It will only operate full on or off. So it means with the use of PWM, we can simulate varying levels of output energy to electrical device. At any given time, the device output will be on or off. But we can pulse the output of varying widths to control the amount of effective output. Shorter on the cycle compared to the cycle we delivered lower or output. So here I have prepared the circuit design to demonstrate the PWM on the Raspberry Pi. First, connect the 5 GPIO pins to an LED as shown below in the circuit design. The longer LED is the anode positive and connects into the resistor. The slightly shorter is the LED of negative and connects into the ground to pin number 6 of the Raspberry Pi. The resistor connects to Raspberry Pi pin number 12. You can take a practice to copy my circuit design, create your idea how it works. Before that, we need to have these equipments are Raspberry Pi, breadboard, LED, resistors, and jumper wires. To show you what are the main output of these, I will show you a video. So that is all guys. I hope you'll learn a lot from my topic that I've discussed. Thank you.